Hey everyone! We've got another collection of versatile gadgets to enhance your daily routine. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. LEX Bionic Chair. Introducing the first ever wearable seat, a pair of bionic legs that you can wear around your waist. Whenever you need to take a seat, simply release the legs, transforming them into a futuristic chair. This portable seat doesn't take up much space and offers stability. What's even better is that the chair automatically adjusts your sitting posture, helping to relieve neck and back pain. It also features a load transfer module that removes the weight of a heavy backpack from your shoulders. With a sturdy aluminum frame, it can support up to 265 pounds. Coravin Wine Preservation System Model 6. Looking for the easiest way to open a bottle of wine? How about not opening it at all? With this gadget, you can place the clamp over the bottle, push it down until the needle is fully in, and then press the trigger to pour the wine out through the built-in spout. The gadget uses replaceable capsules filled with pure argon gas to pressurize the bottle, ensuring a smooth flow of wine. It even comes with a special accessory for opening screw cap bottles. After use, you can rinse the spout and clamps with warm water, and it conveniently comes with a carrying pouch for travelers. RGB LED Kit for helmets. Transform your ordinary motorcycle helmet into a cool one with RGB lighting. This option utilizes eye-catching diffuse light technology, giving it a Tron Legacy-style appearance. The lighting strips can be controlled through a mobile app, offering a variety of colors and over 20 amazing animations to suit any taste or mood. The integrated controller mounts neatly onto your helmet, and then the thin and easy-to-install light strips are waterproof and charge via USB, providing up to 10 hours of use on a single charge. Get ready to turn heads with this upgrade. Compact Safety Shovel. Don't let snow ruin your plans. This shovel is designed to clean your car and the road, even in harsh winter conditions. Unlike a regular shovel, it features a dual-handle design that makes it easier to remove snow and dirt from your doors and windows. The soft rubber wings swiftly push away the snow without leaving any scratches, and the wide blade serves as an excellent scraper for ice. Despite its compact size, this shovel is tough and durable, capable of withstanding the weight of a vehicle. Built-in reflectors ensure your visibility to other drivers. JaxJox KettlebellConnect. Maximize your workouts with the new Smart Kettlebell. Its innovative design allows for adjustable weight ranging from 12 to 42 pounds. Instead of needing multiple kettlebells, you can simply stack the included plates on top of each other and select a desired weight using the built-in LCD screen. The kettlebell charges via USB-C in just a few hours and lasts up to 2 weeks on one charge. Equipped with 6-axis motion sensors and a Bluetooth module, it tracks your movements during workouts and sends the data to a mobile app. The app provides progress information and offers live and on-demand workouts with professional trainers. Jabra PanaCast Cam. Now, let's introduce a powerful webcam designed specifically for business meetings. It boasts an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view, and its intelligent zoom adjusts the image according to the number of participants. The video is seamlessly stitched in real time from 3 built-in cameras, creating a 4K panorama. Sharing notes and diagrams has never been easier, as the webcam can capture up to 3 whiteboards simultaneously, allowing you to switch between them. The webcam includes 8 microphones and 4 powerful speakers, and advanced AI algorithms eliminate echo and static noise. If you prefer a more compact model without built-in speakers, there is also a smaller option available. Both models are compatible with popular apps and have a hassle-free setup process. Redkey USB V4. Before selling or recycling your devices, it is advisable to completely erase all the data they contain. This USB tool offers a simple solution to achieve that, compatible with various devices such as PCs, tablets, iPhones, and Android devices. Simply plug in the gadget and activate the wiping process, which is fully automated. Once completed, you will receive a detailed report to ensure that all data has been successfully cleared. Additionally, you can utilize this tool to wipe other PCs on your local network. Moreover, you have the option to obtain a set of 3 keys for a comprehensive cycle of backup, wiping, and reinstallation. Apart from the standard model, there are 3 advanced options available. These colorful keys are dual-sided, allowing you to wipe USB-C devices without requiring any adapters. There is also a platinum kit and a high-end version with built-in LED lights. Whichever option you choose, rest assured that no traces will be left on your device. SWAT Survival Kit. This black suitcase serves as a versatile survival kit, combining multiple tools into one. It contains a 400-lumen flashlight, a tactical pen, an emergency blanket, and a reliable 3-inch folding knife. The paracord survival bracelet is equipped with a compass, emergency whistle, and fire starter. Additionally, the kit includes a large ferrule rod with a PVC handle, which can be used for various purposes. The stainless steel scraper serves as a ruler and bottle opener, while the wire saw effortlessly cuts branches. Vssl supplies Compact Adventure Kit. Looking for a flashlight that can replace your entire camping gear? Look no further. This flashlight contains a dozen little boxes with essential camping items. The kit includes 70 of the most needed items, such as a can opener, wire saw, sewing kit, whistle, waterproof matches, marine-grade rope capable of handling 250 pounds, and even a mini first aid kit. It also features a precise compass, razor blade, and fishing tools. The flashlight itself emits 200 lumens of output with 4 modes, providing up to 20 hours of continuous use at maximum brightness. It's durable, waterproof, and compact, perfect for your next trip. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.